Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurhamizah binti Marzukhi. My matric number is 050895 and I'm from PP semester 5. In this video, I would like to present about how to create own compiler for subject compiler development. For this project, it have three important things needed. For the first is NetBeans, which is it use NetBeans version 8.2. Second, Java, it use JDK 1.8. And the last is ANTLR. For this ANTLR, it use version 4.2.7. Now, I will teach you about how to set up ANTLR in NetBeans. First, you must open the NetBeans. Second, you click on toolbar and then click on plugins. Next, after the display, you click the downloaded, then click add plugin and you search the file of ANTLR jar, and then after you import the file of ANTLR jar, the ANTLR jar successful inserted, then you just click install to continue. After that, click next and then click install, then click continue. The last is just click the finish button and restart the NetBeans. Okay, next is how to create a project folder. For the first is you just open the NetBeans, click file and click on new project, and then you click on Java application project, then click next. The last is name the project name with matric number, which is BTAL 180500895, and then just click finish. After done create our project folder, the second step is how to add file jar ANTLR that installed just now. At the side project bar, it has libraries folder and our folder that we create just now. In this library folder, just right click on it, then add the pop-up, choose to add jar folder. Then choose ANTLR jar folder and just click open. For this jar, I save in folder compiler and then click the jar and click open. Next, it will successfully added into the libraries folder. It will show like this if successful added. Next is create grammar file. First is you just right click at the folder project BTAL 180500895 and then click new and choose other. Next, the pop-up like this after click others, then you just scroll and keep on choose other, and then the option you will see the G4 template.g4, but for this project I will not use the template. Okay, next scroll down and find the empty file and then click on it, then click next. Next, in this new empty file, rename grammar file with grammar 050895.g4 to get the format of grammar template. After that, click on finish. It must to be .g4, so you can create using G4 format. After that, after rename the file name, click finish. After that, you can see we have two Java file. First is Java file that we create before, and the second is our ANTLR file with format.g4 that we create just now. On this grammar file, we will put the compiler coding based on language that we choose. For the example, I use Java language. Okay, next step. Open the file grammar and paste the code, which is I choose Java language. In this code, which will adjust how to output will be become by using grammar file, or it will compile all the data and all the value from our text file. Okay, next, open build.xml file. We just must adjust build.xml file. For this file, where we locate our path for our jar or compiler grammar file. Next, click file bar and click build.xml. After that, it will open page like this, and it is how to build XML file. Look after open it. Then we will put some code that will call our location for jar and grammar file text. So add this code on the build XML file. Next is change location in build XML file. First, you must change the location to our own location of antlr.jar folder. First, we focus on our location jar to change the already location to our location. First step is go to the libraries. Right click on this jar, and then pop-up will display the location of antlr jar. Then the pop-up will display like this, and copy the jar folder and paste to the coding in build.xml. Next is change src compiler mygrammar.g4 to our own location of grammar file, which is src/btal180500895/grammar050875.g4. Next, if you want to test the project IDE successful or not, you just click run, and then click clean and build project btal180500895, so we can know which is it success or not. After run the test, no error found in this code. The next step is we can go again in our Java file, and here we can paste code Java that we found. For my option, I already use Java language, so that in the method of the public static void main, I use try and catch a condition, which is the string is function where I want to call text document that I save, describe my variable for my calculator project, which is here I put it on the computer folder with my 050895.txt. And in this part, we can change three things, which is this location, and the second is the grammar text, the grammar laser, and the last is parser file. After settle three of these, we can try to run the project. Go to the run and test the project. After we test, we will get the output from our test. So the display for our test in code, and this is the display for our notepad text, which is we can set in btal 180500895.txt for every new line after a plus b, because in Java file it can read the file if we have the new line after the previous. If we don't put the new line, it will not read the file. Before end of this video, I will show another platform test compiler, which is in common prompt CMD. Okay, for the first, you just go to the Java file that we create, and then click clean and build project, and then after run, the output will display build successful without any error. Next, we must copy the last line, which is java.jar. Next, open the CMD and paste it that we copy it in NetBeans. And the last, just click enter, then it will read the variable in our save part. That's all from me. So I hope this video can help you how to create our own compiler. Thank you for watching.